Monoclonal antibodies are made by cloning cells. They are useful because they will only bind to one specific protein antigen, so they can be used to target specific cells or chemicals. So we're going to talk about how they're made. So a mouse is injected with the antigen that you're trying to produce the antibody for. The mouse produces B lymphocytes, and these are taken from the mouse that produce the antibody that we're after. These lymphocytes are then inserted into a tumour cell because tumour cells can divide very quickly, and this is called a hybridoma. These tumour cells then divide to produce more of the B lymphocytes that produce the antibodies. It divides quickly to produce lots of the clones that produce the monoclonal antibody. Monoclonal antibodies have many uses. One is for diagnosis, e.g. pregnancy tests. So pregnant women contain a hormone called HCG, and it's only found in pregnant women. So here we have a pregnancy test kit. And this is where you wee, and it contains antibodies that are specific to HCG with blue beads attached. And this is the test strip. It also contains antibodies specific to HCG. If a pregnant woman wees on the stick, HCG attaches to the antibodies, as you can see here. These move up the stick with the blue beads. And as you can see here, they've moved to the test strip. The beads and antibodies bind to the antibodies on the test strip, turning it blue, showing a pregnant result. If a non-pregnant woman wees on the stick, the beads still move up the stick. These blue beads will not stick to the test strip, so it will not change colour. As you can see, they've passed the test strip. Pregnancy tests also contain a control strip. This control strip contains antibodies that attach to the antibodies that are attached to the blue beads, as you can see here. This shows if the test has worked correctly. They can also be used to treat disease. So here we have a tumour cell or a cancer cell, and it contains a specific antigen that I'm drawing here. A monoclonal antibody specific to this antigen is inserted into the body. Attached to this is an anti-cancer drug, and we can see here this rectangle there. The drug is released when the antibodies attach to the tumour cell, destroying the cancer cell and only the cancer cell. They can be used in research. They can locate specific molecules. So again, here we've got a monoclonal antibody, and it attaches to a fluorescent dye, which is here. If the molecule is present, the antibody will bind to the molecule that they are looking for. Once it attaches, you can detect what you are looking for by analysing the dye. They can be used in labs as well. A monoclonal antibody can bind to hormones to measure their levels. So again, here we've got the monoclonal antibody. And here, for example, we have a hormone that the antibody is going to attach to. You have now learnt about monoclonal antibodies and their uses. You'll find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on. Exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions. Worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more. where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.